here from Arcadia Rug Spa, and today I thought we'd do a quick video on problem rugs, bleeding rugs. I don't mean bleeding in the swear word, I mean bleeding as in dyes that run out of rugs. Moroccan ones, big example. We get a lot of these in for correction, where a carpet cleaner, unbeknown to him, has gone in and had a quick go at cleaning a rug, didn't know it was a bleeder, didn't do the tests that you're supposed to do, and it's bled, and then we've had to correct it. This one's not a correction, so we're just going to run through how we clean a Moroccan style rug, a bleeder rug that we've tested. We're just going to run through how we clean it without causing any bleed issues whatsoever. So we've done the dye bleed test. If you don't know how to do a dye bleed test, find another job. No. We've done the dye bleed test. If you don't know how to do a dye bleed test, we have got a video on our channel. Just check back to, I think it's actually called dye bleed, and it'll show you how to do an alkaline test and an acidic test. On this one we did an alkaline test and it bled really badly. We did an acid test and it wasn't too bad, but because it's got quite a lot of white in it, we've decided to clean it with a dye fix. So we did a dye fix test and it came out perfect. So we can now clean this rug underwater using a dye fix, and fingers crossed we have no problems. If we do have problems, luckily enough we can sort it. But we'll run through this now and show you how to clean this type of rug in this situation. Not in someone's house, not in your back garden, that's for sure. Whatever you do, don't go, oh, I'll go and buy some dye fix and I'll go in back garden and I'll clean my Moroccan rug and I'll get the jet washer on it. You're going to ruin it, simple as that. Okay, so this is the stuff we use. It's called Wool and Silk Dye Fix. It's from Alltech and it's a cracking little product. It will stop most rugs from bleeding very well. So, and we get ours from John Kelly at RestoreMate. Shout out to John Kelly. We get all our products from him. He's got a full range of stuff, so and he stocks Alltech stuff as well, so it saves us buying from two different suppliers. We just get all ours from John. Nice little promotion there for you, John. Right, so I'll crack on. We've put some of the dye fix into a rotary. We should be able to do a rotary on this. It's quite a loose rug, so I'll see what I can do. And then we've got a bucket of water with probably about 300, 200 ml. Yeah, about 200 ml of this in the bucket of water. So straight away, we want to wet the rug out quickly as possible. That should hold it down. Remember, this isn't a very dirty rug, so we can just crack on and get it done. You don't want to leave these wet for too long. If you leave them wet for too long, they will start bleeding. You can only have so much of a barrier with a dye bleed. Okay, so the rug's been scrubbed front and back. It's not a very dirty rug, it's not a very smelly rug, so we're just going to rinse it with water as quick as possible. See some dyes coming out. Don't worry too much about that. we'll give it a clean now. Next thing, we need to get it dry as quick as possible. Let's get as much moisture out as possible. You'll still see dyes coming out of it. Again, don't worry too much. And colours coming out now, amazing colours. Wow, what a beautiful rug. Okay, so there's still loose dyes in this rug, and so what we do is we cover the rug so that we can put it in the centrifuge and spin it. And the reason why we cover it is because when it rolls up, it's going to roll onto itself. Whereas if we put a sheet on it, it's going to roll onto the sheet. So when the dyes start to spin out, they're just going to go straight onto the sheet and not onto the back of the rug. See how this is touching that? So now give it a quick spin, get as much moisture out as possible. It's all done. Looks nice. Look at the dye transfer on this. All that orange is there. That would have gone onto the rug if we hadn't put this sheet on. And as you can see, the rug's fine. We get it hung. We get it pinned. Now we get the blowers on it as quick as possible. I'll put another blower on this front bit here. Dehumidifier running. For the first 5 minutes, I'll put the heater on to try and dry the surface as quick as possible so it doesn't start to bleed through. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's what we do here. When we come across with some bleeding type rugs that have got unfixed dyes, loose dyes, that's pretty much how we clean them. So if you do have any that you problem ones, you're not sure about them, give us a ring. We'll certainly help you out. We'll try our best. Sorry for shouting. I don't know if you can hear me or not. It's really noisy in here. So yeah, give us a ring if you've got any problems, any questions. Just give us a bell, guys. Cheers! If you enjoyed the video, if you're interested in anything rug related, whether it's rug cleaning, rug repair or rug restoration, or you're simply after some hints and tips, please subscribe to the channel, leave us a like, you can share the video if you want, or best still leave a comment. We love your comments. Thanks for watching.